Alright, so today I was thinking so I've had a lot of feedback on my channel, and I was told that my voice makes me hard to understand, and it's probably pretty obvious that I use a voice changer, but you might have not known, but just letting you know I use a voice changer. So today I decided to reveal what my actual voice sounds like, which is gonna be fun. So, uh, oh, okay, I died. Anyways, ready? Okay, wait, no.
Okay. Oh, this is what I actually sound like. Whoa. Were you surprised? Now you can listen to my actual most epicest voice ever because I'm so cool in poggers. Yes. Alright. Also, um, if you don't subscribe, I'm gonna feed you to a dinosaur. So, bye. And, okay, bye.